There are a lot of Valentine's Day woodworking projects out there. So today I'm going to be showing you my favorite. Let's get started. For this project, you're going to need a piece of wood over 1 inch thick. It really doesn't have to be walnut. It can be any type of wood. You're going to measure down 4 inches and then make another piece 5 inches. Now let's cut it out. All right, first we're going to measure up 3 inches right here and make sure it gets on both pieces of the wood. Then we're going to make that line straight all the way across those boards. And then on each side, measure in 1/2 inch. Then measure up 1/2 inch from the bottom. Make sure you mark it on both pieces of wood. And then connect that mark to that mark and then also with the other side. Then you can just take each piece and round off the side and then dip down. So it's 1/2 of a heart. So now we'll get a 1.5 inch Forstner bit and cut them both out at the top part. All right, the first one is done. Time to move on to the second. All right, well, there we go. We got these 2 pieces drilled out. So now we're going to go over to the bandsaw and cut that part off right there. You might already know what we're going for, but if you don't know, just keep watching the video. Now we're back over here at the drill press and we're going to take this 3/4 inch drill bit and drill right in the top of it. We're not going to drill in too much. This is probably like only 1/8 inch deep. Time for the second one. Well, so the belt sander can't get up in there, so now we're just going to have to sand it by hand. This is some 80 grit. All right, let's slap some mineral oil on here just to make it pop a little bit more. Now we'll wipe off the excess. Well guys, there it is together and it looks pretty good. And of course you can make these out of 2x4s and then torch it or stain it and it'll pretty much look exactly like it. If you'd like to see more videos, I'll put my woodworking playlist right here. And if you want to subscribe, I will put that right here. So thanks for watching everybody. I will see y'all next time.